So the very first method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, you can go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa. And after that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check for the game update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neverness to Everness game. And here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and see if it's working now. Next is to clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, go back again, launch the game and check. If the game still doesn't launch or shows any kind of error, you can install a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and lots of apps will be listed over here. Install any one of it, and after installing it, change the location and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for the game. After updating your game to the latest version, now launch the game and check. Next is to check if there is enough storage space available to download or launch the game. So for that, go to settings, and after that, here you have to click on RAM and storage, and have to check if there is any, and have to check if there is less storage space. So the process may differ, but you have to check if there is enough space available on your phone or not. If less space is there, you have to delete some unused apps or data, and after that, try to launch the game and check. But even after trying all the methods, the issue still occurs, and you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, and after that, click on uninstall. Once done, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neverness to Everness game, and finally click on the install option. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.